Hi, everyone. This is Layla Ortiz-Thorson with Keller Williams Realty, here to remind you that October is the best month for buyers to buy a house. And there's nothing scarier than waiting for a hot spring seller's market to buy a home. So join me this Saturday and Sunday for an open house on a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in Yucca Valley in the Story Park neighborhood, one of the safest neighborhoods in Yucca Valley. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath house is on an almost half-acre lot, big, beautiful yard with a jacuzzi, lots of upgrades, and it's priced at $375,000 and with motivated sellers. So don't let the market get too spooky for buyers, and come join me during October for a great open house from 1 to 3. The open house will be located at 56446 ElDorado Drive in Yucca Valley. Once again, it's Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 3 at 56446 ElDorado Drive in Yucca Valley. Feel free to contact me if you want any more details at 949-287-1052. Now, don't wait for a spooky seller's market during spring. Join me for October, the best month to buy a house, at my wonderful open house within a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in a great neighborhood. This little treat won't last for long. I'm also going to be giving away to a randomly selected guest a $25 gift card for C's Candy. Look forward to seeing you this Saturday and Sunday.